System organized. The system organized.
Yes, Stoke City. Scott DG getting into the center of the field. Great attack. Great attack indeed. Well inside, it just started. The game just started. Because Scott DG has been tackled by Akuma rugby agents. Keep the passes still going on to the left. Belum? Iya, belum shoot ya. Tama yan dia beli nakal. Iya. Sekarang ni cerita mana? Cerita ni. Iya. Itu betul sama sikat. Yeah, great run by Scott DG. They've scored a beautiful try, 5 points. Waiting for the conversion. Well, it just missed. Stays on 5 points to 0.
Man, I got a lot of this. Yeah? It's got a lovely feel to it. It's flowed perfectly.
Yeah, passing or a cross pass, and that's Wara going. It went well. Lanky Wara just went. That should have been a try, but unfortunately. As a knock-on by Akuma Rugby, was a double knock-on. First it was from Akuma, then another knock-on by Scott DG. Unfortunately, Akuma's been penalized again. There were 6 players on both sides, yellow cards on both teams. Very strict. The referee is a professional referee from Fiji. He's now a member of the Fijian referees, and now he's part of the Boys Army.
So why do you need that?